Hello and welcome. Now there will be times when you want to add an image or some kind of media and you want to describe that media with text right beside the media. And to do that, you're going to add in a specific kind of block. And what you're going to write in, you'll see it here in the most used area, but if you wanted to look for it, you type in media and you'd see the block called media and text. You're going to click that block. What you're going to see is you're going to see an interface. You're going to see an interface for the media. You'll also see controls for that interface, and then you'll see media and text settings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to grab an image that's already inside of our media library. You'll notice once you have the media, you can control that media and its appearance with the controls that you're given at the top of the block. What you can also do then is you can write in your content. You can control the appearance of that text, changing the font size. You can also change this to a drop cap. So up here where the beginning letter is going to be larger. You can change the color in terms of the background. You can change the text color. And basically what you have is you have a visual image as well as text beside that visual image that you can create for a specific kind of block. Now this block will give you a specific control that you can make it so that when someone visits this particular element using a mobile device, you can make sure that they'll see this in a stacked form, assuming then that their screen won't be wide enough for these elements to appear side by side. So you'll want them to be stacked. And that is how you will use the media and text block. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.